Good morning, my dear student. Today, the same unit playing with the numbers. I continue the exercise. In this exercise, in before class, you will study the LCM in two method, listing method and prime factorization method. Now you go for the division method to find the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, exercise 5.7, find the LCM by the division method. Division method is very easy one. This is the appropriate method to find the answer for bigger sums also. In afterward, you will using this one. This is the one of the terms to find the answer of the question. So the question is bigger. So in between the question, you find the LCM means this method is used to find the answer means it's very simply you find the answer for higher classes. Okay, third sum 18, 42. 18, 42, two number is there means prime factorization. Separately you will find the prime factorization and find the LCM. But a division method, both number will be taken one line. Both number not three or more number also given means the every number will be taken one line. Okay, 18, 42 I take. In 18 and 42 having the even number in the unit place. So I take two table. In two table 18 9 time. In two table 4 2 time, 2 1 time. So 21 time. 9 and 21 both are odd numbers. So I take 3 table. In 3 table 9 3 time. In 3 table 21 7 time. Now again I take 3 table 3 1 time. But 7 not come in 3 table. So 7 takes 7. Now 7 table 7 1 time, the 1 remains 1. So all are getting 1 means you stop the division. Therefore the LCM of 18 and 42 are 2, 3, 3, 7. So you multiply and get the answer 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 into 7, 126 is the answer. The next one 22, 33. So 22, 33 means 2 table. First I take 2 table 11 time 22. 33 not come in 2 table. So 33 remains. Now 3 table I take 11 not came. So 11 I take 11. 33 11 time. Again 11 table the both having the 1 time. So LCM of 22 and 33 are 2 into 3 into 11. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 11 66 is the answer. Next one 15, 50. So 15, 50 both having the 5 table. So 5 table 15 3 time, 50 10 time. In 2 table 3 not came. So 3 remains 3. 10 2 table 5 time. In 3 table 3 1 time. In 5 remains 5. 5 table 5 1 time. All are having 1. Stop the division. Therefore the LCM of 15 and 50 are 5 into 2 into 3 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 into 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 0 is there. So 150 is the answer. The next one 10 table 36, 81, 36, 81. 2 table I take because this is the even number. So 2 table 1 time 2, the remaining 16 8 time. 81 not came in 2 table. So 81 remains 81. In again 2 table 18 9 time, 81 remains 81. Now I consider 3 table 9 3 time, 81 2 times 6, 21 7 times. So 27 time. 3 table 3 1 time. In 3 table 27 9 time. 3 table 1 remains 1, 9 3 time. Again 3 table 1 remains 1, 3 1 time. So the LCM of 36 and 81 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 3 3s are 9. So 36 into 9 you get 324. 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the answer is 324. So this first sum you copy down in your class of note. The remaining you take it as a homework in C-sum. So do the homework some children. Next topic is fraction. This is the 6th unit. Fraction means you know the fraction. So one part is splitted into two terms means the splitting part in the numerator and the whole part in the denominators. That one is the fraction. So simply said that fractions are equal part of a shape or collection herself, half of the shape is shaded. So you take part will be in numerator and the total number of parts in the denominator. That means the box is splitted in how many terms means 2 terms. So the total terms is 2. So this one is total number is in denominator. But how many of them shaded means one part is shaded. So part of reference, that means the shaded part is 1. So question is shaded means the question in the numerator and total in the denominator. So the Upper part is considered as numerator and the lower part is considered as denominator. In numberly, you tell that 1 by 2, that means half. Suppose 1 by 4, that means the 4 part will be the circle splitted, but only one is shaded. So 1 by 4 it will be considered. Shaded part is in numerator and denominator having total part. 1 by 4 means it's simply said at quarter. And then the next one, 1/3, 2/3. That means 1/3 means this one is 1/3 in 3 part, but one is shaded means 1/3. This one means 2 by 4. 4 part is that, but 2 shaded. This is 2 by 4. And this one means 4 totally, but 3 is shaded, so 3 by 4. This one having 2 shaded, 1 is remains, but totally 3, so 2 by 3. So this is the terms to find the fraction. So go for the exercise, very simple exercise. First exercise, look at the figures given below for shape. Shade complete the table. Okay, shapes is there. Equal parts in the shape is given. Fraction for shaded part and fraction for unshaded part. First of all, equal parts in the shape. That means how many shapes are there? How many shapes inside of the shape means 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes will be there. Consider 3. Fraction for shaded part. Shaded means how many of them shaded? 1 is shaded. Totally 3 is there. So 1 by 3. Unshaded part means how many of them unshaded? 2 is unshaded. So 2 by 3. So very simple. So the same for this. Totally how many terms means 8 boxes there. How many shaded? 3 is shaded. So 3 by 8. How many with it shaded? 5 is unshaded. So 5 by 8. The same for this. Totally 12 triangles inside of that shape. So 12. How many of shading means 6 by 12. Unshaded means again 6 by 12. So this is today class, children. Everyone copy down this everything in your that sum is due in the class of note. This sum is due in the book. So remaining you do in the book itself. Thank you, children, to watching the video.